Padala na lang yung plan sa ikaw din pag ipadala lang sa balay. Kinamay, cargo pero sa cargo service niya.
Kana, kaya di ba mo dili padala sa balay? Pero bayaran nung kanila pagkuha nimo.
Yum. Yeah, maybe I'm sure it's a good product. And then like
Wala kita na lang
like and then like gusto niyo mo na? Yeah, and bilateral staff.
Ha?
Untuk mauntas na yun.
Yeah.
I should do it. If you know how to do it, yeah. It'll look like
Si Dila.
it's like light. I think.
Wala na
Or you what?
Tao na kanya rito.
Ha? Naulog?
Oh my gosh, what fish is this? Ma, what type of fish is this?
Wala na, wala siya panihapon. Hindi na siya panihapon.
Ma?
Ano yung bahay nila?
What type of fish is this?
Rito.
This looks so good.
Siyambot niya. Si? Dila. Out. Dila?
Ah, lagas ko lang.
More on the other side. Okay, I want.
Mga apo tayo.
Ha?
Mga apo ni mo.
I'm getting to it.
Ay, tagang silag yun.
Does it look good? Yeah. We'll put a highlighter on that. Yeah, okay, now we have to. Should we do blush or concealer? Blush. Yeah. You do like a lot in because we put powder on it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, do you're supposed to do blush first. Wait, put a little bit of this.
Ma, kung hindi na energy na sticker. May kuha
Okay?
Just like, don't take a lot though.
Kung saan na nga manok sinipid?
Ha?
Sa Nicolas tayo ng high school.
Oh, yeah, let's do that.
Diyan mo na sa kwan ba? Pa yung cellphone mo.
That looks much better. Yeah. It's just it's just like try like yeah, you just use like yeah, that's all back and then should we like use yeah.
Ano yung jersey?
Oh wait, what is this? No, which is yours? Yeah, we can like get the concealer.
Mukha nag-vlog na.
Asa mong going na? Asa ka muli? Ay.
Sampai kan jadi zero. Jili. Mana na jili nga kanan mo? Mana na jili is like
Chinese lang.
Chinese ba na?
Di ka ba eskwela di ay dong? O Sabado man ay karon no? Yun madam.
Wala na diyan ng dito. Toy ka man date ba?
Ate, kumusta ka di ate?
Wala na diyan dito. Oh, katulad sa ikas dong no.
Maman.
Ako sa nila video?
Oh.
Ano ng picture? Sama di ay.
Good day to our honored guest, Mrs. Regine Subica, beloved teachers led by our dear principal, Dr. Emerson Genesis Buya, dear friends, and most especially my fellow graduates of Batch 2026, a warm welcome to each and every one of you. Today is a day full of joy, reflection, and gratitude, not only because we have reached a significant milestone, but because we recognize the Lord who brought us here today. As I stand before you, not just as someone delivering a speech, but as a fellow graduate of class Portois de Lumiere, I am filled with utmost thankfulness to God, the giver of all good things, the source of our strength, our growth, and our new beginnings. We warmly welcome you to this special and meaningful occasion here at Lakeview Adventist Academy, where every celebration is also an opportunity to praise our Creator. Today, as each one of you is here to witness us take a closer step towards our future, it's a beautiful testament that our journey has been guided not only by our own efforts, but by your constant support and by God's sustaining grace. To our teachers, our second parents, who have guided us with wisdom, patience, and dedication, preparing us endlessly through countless lessons, late nights, and encouraging words for this very moment we stand here today. To our parents, who loves us unconditionally through every triumph and challenge, and watched with pride as we grew from curious little children into confident young adults standing before you. Our class name, Portois de Lumiere, means the bearers of light, and that is what this day represents. A new flame, a transformation. It is God who gives new life, and by His grace, we are ready to prepare for what He prepared for all of us. We began from humble beginnings with uncertainties of the future and the curiosity of what more we could do. But God's promise was with us, that He who started a good work in us will be faithful to complete it. Once again, we extend our warmest welcome. Thank you for joining us in this celebration, not just of who we are, but of who we are becoming through God's grace. Congratulations, Portois de Lumiere. With God leading the way, our lights will shine brighter from today onwards.
Thank you so much, Ms. Chimes E. Planteras, for that heartwarming.
Mag-videohan talaga.
Video daw na ko.
Kikatahan.
Papa nila ko. Picture sa mo ni tatay, Bi. Ay, sabi. Tatay, oh.
Tawag kang...
Come on, Nip.
Oh, natunakan na niya ang buhok.
Video man eh.